This is how the Earth was actually born. 4.6 billion years ago, Earth was nothing but an inconspicuous, tiny speck of dust in the universe. 99% of people never wonder, in a lifeless, desolate universe, why did Earth alone birth life and nurture civilization? 4.6 billion years ago, the solar system simply didn't exist. No sun, no Earth. Just a freezing cloud of dust at -270 degrees Celsius. Every inch of land beneath our feet, our very bodies, are essentially just scattered interstellar debris. Until an ancient supernova exploded. The shockwave stirred the dead nebula. Dust gathered, spun, and the core's density violently surged. Temperatures broke 10 million degrees, nuclear fusion ignited, light descended, and the sun was born. Without this distant cosmic disturbance, this nebula would be forever silent. There would be no solar system, and certainly no use. The sun's birth lit up the starry sky. The remaining rocky debris and metallic dust constantly swirled, collided, and clumped together in the dark. After more than 20 million years of repeated impacts, rolling like a snowball, from dust to gravel, from gravel to boulders, it finally pieced together the prototype of the primordial Earth. Earth's birth was full of violence and disaster from the very start. The newborn Earth was pitch black, freezing, with no oceans, no atmosphere, and absolutely no life. Over the next tens of millions of years, the primordial Earth's gravity pulled in countless asteroids, constantly bombarding the surface. Billions of violent impacts kept adding mass and storing heat. The freezing rocky planet was literally smashed into a boiling, molten world by the universe's sheer fury. This is the underlying law of the universe. Any vessel capable of carrying life must first undergo millions of brutal remoldings and temperings. If we could travel back 4.5 billion years, we would be shocked by the sight. The entire planet was covered in kilometers of magma. Average surface temperatures exceeded 1,200 degrees Celsius. Global volcanoes erupted continuously, magma flowed wild, and any life would instantly vaporize. Earth had not a single drop of liquid water then, nor a breath of oxygen. The air was filled with toxic gases like carbon dioxide and methane. It was an absolute forbidden zone for life. This is a cosmic truth worth pondering. Our blue home today, with its distinct seasons and gentle climate, was once a scarred, infernal fireball. What truly rewrote Earth's destiny was an epic collision 4.53 billion years ago. A Mars-sized protoplanet named Theia, with a tenth of Earth's mass, smashed into the early Earth at a terrifying speed of 15 kilometers per second at a 45-degree angle. This apocalyptic collision was the turning point of Earth's fate and the very foundation of human civilization. Trillions of tons of molten debris slowly gathered and condensed around Earth, forming the moon that accompanies us today. More fortunately, this collision filled in all the crucial missing pieces for life to emerge. It knocked the Earth into a 23.5-degree axial tilt, giving us the cycle of 4 seasons. It drastically sped up Earth's rotation, giving the ancient Earth the transition of day and night. The moon's gravity firmly locked the Earth's axis, keeping its wobble within 1.3 degrees, completely preventing extreme natural disasters. The speed, angle, and force of this impact were all exactly perfect. A slight deviation could have shattered the Earth entirely, or forever prevented a stable ecosystem. Without this perfectly timed impact, Earth would only ever be a barren wasteland. Earth took tens of millions of years to slowly cool down. Boiling magma solidified into a crust, and the chaotic era of bombardment finally ended. Continuous volcanic activity spewed massive amounts of water vapor and carbon dioxide, slowly building the primordial atmosphere. Massive amounts of water vapor gathered high above and violently condensed, kicking off a global rainstorm that lasted millions of years. 3.8 billion years ago, Earth finally birthed its first stable ocean, providing a hotbed for life to emerge. From freezing dust to surging oceans, Earth spent nearly 800 million years transforming, just to earn a slim chance to nurture life. This reveals a truth ignored by everyone. Life is never a standard feature of the universe, but the ultimate gift after a planet goes through destruction and rebirth. Our home is a lucky product of perfectly overlapping, extremely low probability events. Countless 1 in a billion coincidences created the birth of life. Earth's birth was an incredible evolution, defying the universe's rule of desolation. Human existence is not a given. It is the ultimate miracle of life, unlocked only after 4.6 billion years of extreme coincidences and relentless tempering.